Hi everyone, welcome to Review Channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video and this is for the Skullcandy Indy Evo wireless headsets. So they call this true wireless headsets and I got this from the Skullcandy website and this is sold somewhere around 6499 and then they have priced it around 9999 at the moment, but they have good discounts on their site and then it's been reducing once in a while, and then you can look their site. I'll leave a link on the description so that you can also check this out.
Feeling that this is a genuine product as well. And for this unboxing, I will go ahead and then open the box, and then it's just a simple sticker. If you see my other video, so they haven't done any tamper-proof stickering on this. So I'm gonna open the box and then see what they have. Okay, so they have given the headset the charging case and then a manual, slightly a fancier manual, which didn't come on the previous Sesh Evo that I've unboxed. I'm gonna keep that aside. And this has multiple ear tips, and then you also have the changing so this is medium, and there's a small one. I guess this is a small one, and they have put a medium one inside the headphones itself. And they've only given 2 of these, and then the earbuds they have given large and then a small. Yes, they have given the large and a small, so that's fine. And then they've given a small Type-C charging cable. So let's put this back in. And also given an instruction on if you have any trouble, you can return it, and also to register the product. This is a simple user manual, so that's gonna tell you how this works. Let's go ahead and then take the headsets off the box. This is nice. They have gone pretty nice on this, and this is having a black version I think I got, and the ear tips are gray. Do you see that? Let's go ahead and then there's nothing much on the box, so let's keep that aside. And the charging case, I think it has a bit of a charging in it. Let's see how this plugs in. If I'm not wrong, I'm gonna put it here. So when it goes in, it just starts to blink in different colors. So this is both gone into red, and then they did blink in blue as well. The charging case is okay, but I feel it's not closing in as I expected it to be. So it's having a bit, it doesn't lock in properly, or doesn't go and close in. So let me use this and then see how this performs, and then maybe I can give a more in-depth review on how it is.
Thanks for watching, and then I will do a complete review on how they perform. Until then, you can subscribe to support the channel, and also give a like if you do like it, or dislike it, give a comment. Thanks for watching, and this is Review Channel signing off.